Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create vertical text in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a new document in Google Docs, and first of all, I'm going to go to the insert menu, and then I'm going to insert drawing. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to add text box. Okay, we can click on text box here and create your text box. Okay, and for example, I'm going to type in text. Okay, and then I'm going to change the size. All right, and then now it's time to make it vertical. You can go to the actions here, and then you can choose rotate, and I'm going to choose this rotation. Okay, and as you can see that the vertical text has been created. And wait, I'm going to change the border color to transparent. All right, and then click on save and close. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create vertical text in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.